Hello, and thanks for joining me for an unboxing slash review. What I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the unboxings and the reviews. So let's go ahead and open it up, and then I'm going to wait about a week, but for you it'll be instantaneous. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. I ordered this about 3 or 4 days ago, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but let's open it up and see. Okay. This is the GetFit3.0 smart bracelet. I like this one because I thought it was feature packed, and I thought, well, that's pretty good. But this one is the X10 Plus, and this one does your pulse, blood pressure, oxygen rate, and everything, and tracking, phone alert, and stuff like that. I purchased this off of eBay, and it was shipped locally from New Jersey, and it was only like $15. And I thought, well, for the price, you can't beat it. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's in the box, and here we go. Okay, looks like you have the watch. It's touch sensitive. Let's go ahead and pull the paper off. Not bad looking. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is a very good thing. Here is the charger. Not really happy with these charger. I like the ones where the watch pops out and plugs straight into the USB, but I can live with this. So it's got the sensor on the back and everything. Anyway, that's the unboxing, and I'm going to use it for about a week, and I will get back to you. But like I said, it'll be instantaneous for you because I'm going to combine the unboxing. I don't feel that it's, when you have something like this that doesn't have very many parts, there's really no sense in making someone sit through a 5-minute video of just unboxing something. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll be back in a little bit. Bye. Okay, it's been about a week, and let me go ahead and give you my review of the X10 Plus Smart Tracker. As for the band, for $15 you can't really beat it. I was hoping this would be more reinforced, but so far I haven't had any cracks or problems with it. The other side, it's stayed fairly nice. It hasn't collected any dust or anything like the other more expensive fitness trackers. You just slide this through, and then you put it into one of the holes, and it's a tight fit, so you don't have to worry about it popping out. On the back, you do have the heart rate and the blood pressure and the oxygen monitor. There's 2 of them. That way you can get your blood pressure. And at the top here, you have that's where you charge it at. It comes with a simple charger that goes into any USB port that's powered. But that's very simple to do. You just clip it on the back and you're ready to go. Charges up in about 4 hours. On the front, you have a touch pad at the bottom. The rest of the screen is just a screen. It's not capacitive touch or anything like that. So if you just touch the bottom, there's your time. You can change the watch faces on this. It just does different colors. At the top you have your Bluetooth, which is connected to your phone and the app. After you scan the QR code, you can go to your app store, and it'll download a app called Get, and it's very full featured. I'm very happy with it. So you touch on that, touch it again. There's your temperature, low and high. The high is a current. It has your steps. Touch it again. This is your blood pressure. I'm not sure it'll do it on my finger, but I'll let it set for just a second and see if it'll do it or not. These do take about, well, that's pretty fast that time, 61. So that's about right. That's about what my blood pressure is. It's usually between 55 and 65. Let's go to the next one, and that's my heart rate. The next one is, this is your blood pressure. I'm not sure if it'll do the blood pressure on my finger or not, but let's go ahead and try it. But I use this, and it does take a while. But even with the cuff and stuff like that in professional, it takes a little bit of time. So it's comparable. I hope you can see that. And like I said, it's pretty accurate. It's maybe one or two, you know, off from the there it is, 112/76, and that's about right for me. So let's go to the next one. This is your oxygen level. Counts down from 3, 2, 1, and let's see what the oxygen level is. Oxygen level, you want it to be over 96, between 96 and 100. I usually run about, you know, that's about right, 98. So that's working about right. And it does fluctuate, so you can tell that it's taken up to the second readings. Let's go to the next one. This is your messages. So if you receive a message on your phone, this will pop up. Next one is your stopwatch. Let's click on the stopwatch. You know, let me go back. These do, you can travel through these pretty fast. So the stopwatch, you hold it down until it comes up, then you hold it down again, and you swipe up, and the stopwatch will start counting down. Okay, and you hold down on the bottom pad, and that gets rid of it, and you hold it down again, and that sets it back to 0. Okay, so you just hold it down again, and that takes you right back out. So let's go to the next one, which is your settings. Hold down, and you can find your phone. So if you tap on it again, your phone will start playing a tune. And there's where you can change the color. So you can do from red to blue to green to blue, black, and there's your MAC address. And this is for updating your phone. If you have a new app or anything like that that's coming out, then they'll automatically do over-the-air updating. Back to the home screen, and let's see, there's the heart rate monitor going off. This does do pretty well. The app that's on your phone is not up to date all the time. It usually about every 30 minutes it will transfer the information from your watch to your phone, so you'll be able to keep up to date. Now if you do open the app on your phone, you'll be able to start your heart rate or your blood pressure or oxygen level. Anyway, that's my review of the X10 Plus Smart Tracker. Like I said, I purchased this off of eBay. I will go back and see if I can find that ad again and give you a link in the description. Appreciate you watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and do share. And I'll be back as soon as I can with another review. Thank you.